What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back to another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And my winter garden has sucked, but I'm still gonna get a harvest. Come on with me. Ooh. It looks so healthy. Look at that. Come on, get in the pot. Get in my belly. Get in my belly. And look at him. I'm sitting here trying to wait to Thanksgiving. Man, come on. I have enough of Thanksgiving. Arbor Day. You name some holidays and I'm gonna have collard greens full. Shouts out to the Glamour Planter for sending me this harvest basket, y'all. That is nice. If you ain't harvesting food and nothing like this, you ain't harvesting. On with the video. Now, my collard greens didn't do that well, but I got a bunch of plants. So hopefully I can get enough of them to make a meal. Ooh, no. So we finna try to fill this up. We got some nice size leaves, y'all. I've been complaining about my collard greens, but you just gotta come out here and get what good for the getting. Y'all know what I'm saying. I get tongue tied. Y'all know how I do. So we're gonna pick the outer leaves. I think everybody know by now how to pick collard greens. I just pick them with my hand. Some people snip them off. How you do is how you do, and what I do is what I do. On to the next plant. I got my snips out, y'all. I got tired of doing that. It's cold out here too. What is it? I don't know. It don't matter. Let's get these little greens and keep it moving, y'all. Uh-oh. Basket's starting to fill up a little bit. This some I got in a, I think it's a 50-gallon grow bag. Waste of dirt in here. Or soil. However you want to see it. I prefer soil. Yeah, it's a little bit, not much. Ew. Yeah, the leaves ain't too big. It ain't too big. But I bet they taste good. I bet they gonna taste good. Now, if y'all look up stunted plants in the dictionary, these plants probably come up. I'm ashamed of y'all. Y'all don't even deserve to be on YouTube. Man. All right, let's get some from this bed, y'all. This what happen when you don't pick your greens, man. The leaf wanted to go in the house and I left it out here. You said I'll show you. Let's see, can we get some good ones? Some good ones. Goody gumdrop. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, you a nice one. If I had some cornbread, you'll already be in my stomach. Nice. Okay. Maybe I'll talk too much trash about y'all. Get a little leaf too. We ain't got time. Yeah. Oh, she a biggin. Oh, she a biggin though. Oh, she a biggin. All right, y'all. I don't show y'all enough. I'll show you what it look like when I'm done. All right, y'all. Let's see if we got a little turnip root down here. Ooh. Now she nice. She very nice. Let's pull up some more of these turnips, see what we got. I'm just growing them for the bulb, for my mother-in-law. That's decent. That wasn't. Lead O's. Scratch around it, see how big the bulb is. The bulb ain't big. That bulb ain't big. We'll cover them back up. Find some more to pull. All right, let's get some more of the turnip. Should have left them alone. What's she looking like? Okay, she look a little better. All right, shake. Put a nice size. I'm okay with that. These been in here for a while. No bottoms, no bottom. Yeah, we'll take you. I'm gonna chop up the turnips. Give my mother-in-law the roots. We'll leave them. What's that, cilantro or parsley or something like that? Anyway, we'll leave that one. She ain't ready yet. All right, y'all, just the final harvest. I think I can get a meal out of that. These are turnips. I gotta wash them off and get the bad leaves out there. You know how that temperature been doing my garden out here. But all in all, we got some nice roots. We can do something with these turnips. Yeah, we'll make it happen, Captain. Don't worry about it. Now let's talk about what went wrong with it, in my opinion. Number one, I planted my fall/winter garden way too early. It was wrapping up the summer and it was still in the 80s. My lows at night was maybe 50s, and it just got used to that. Soon as fall came in, I started getting really low temperatures, and it just fell apart. That's my personal opinion. I planted too early. It got used to the warm temperatures, and once it got cold, it just couldn't keep up with so many up and down temps that it never got acclimated to the fall weather. Number two, I didn't amend my soil right after my summer crops. In the main bed where I was originally growing collard greens, I had tomatoes and watermelons, I think, which are both very heavy feeders. After you pull a crop like that, you got to amend your soil back hard and make sure that you replenish the nutrients that got took out during the spring and summer. I failed to do that. So when you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Something like that. That's neither here nor there. Also, I didn't fertilize regularly. I had got on a fertilizer schedule of once a week, give it some liquid fertilizer and keep it going like that. I didn't do that. So my plants wasn't popping back after the low temps that got down to 25. That's when I should have been fertilizing and giving them that boost of energy to come through and grow back faster. I didn't do that, so obviously that's my fault. Another thing, I have row covers or row tents that I could have put over all that stuff, but it's sitting over there in my shed. It's just collecting dust. I had the right things that I could have put down and covered my crops, and it would have turned out a whole lot better. But that was my fault for being lazy. It's literally 10 steps that way. It's 2 long row covers. I think they were 3 by 5 or something like that. I could have covered up a lot of vegetables with that. But once again, I was being lazy. And when you lazy, you don't get no food. The Bible even says a man that don't work don't eat. I'm not eating at my fall and winter garden because I didn't put the work in. That's what it is. Also, I didn't keep up with my plants like I should. Let's be all the way honest. When my plants died back for them temps that got down to 25, I should have cut the dead leaves off, kept up with the plants a little better. But of course, it's cold out here, man. It's cold. Now, it's not cold like up north, but it's cold for me down south. So I wasn't out here as much as I should have been. That's my fault. So it is what it is. I can't blame nobody about anything that happened to my garden but me, because I'm responsible for my garden. I'm the master of this garden back here. So I didn't do what I should have did, so I didn't get the harvest that I wanted. I don't know what else I can say about that. So let it be a lesson from your guy, Brokefarmer. If you don't do the right thing, don't expect good things. It's all part of it. Enjoy your day.